Thank you for choosing Downtown Animal Care Center for your pet's veterinary care. Post-operative care is fairly simple, but if you notice complications that aren't addressed in this video, please call us at 303-595-3561 or text 720-807-7321. For written step-by-step instructions, refer to your discharge information sheet. First and foremost, it is important to keep your pet in a quiet, comfortable place to rest and recover. Remember that anesthesia is used for your pet's dental cleaning. Therefore, your pet may appear drowsy or uncoordinated. They should return to their normal selves 1 to 2 days after the procedure. After a dental procedure, a pet's mouth will likely be tender and experience swelling, drooling, discomfort, or blood-tinged saliva. Most pain should resolve within 7 to 10 days, and swelling will often go away on its own within a few days. However, if swelling appears later in the healing process, this could be abnormal or a sign of delayed wound healing. It is also normal for some coughing to occur for a few days after the dental procedure. Occasionally, a pet's trachea can be irritated by the endotracheal tube used during the procedure. If you notice your pet is not eating or drinking within 2 days after surgery, is vomiting, or lethargic, call our staff at 303-595-3561 or text 720-807-7321. If you notice your pet is having trouble breathing or is experiencing respiratory distress, please seek immediate medical attention at an emergency animal hospital. Aside from limiting your pet's activity post-surgery, there are a few other things that you should note about your pet's post-surgical care. Observe the extraction site closely. Should you see excessive cloudy discharge or swelling, please call us. We use sutures that are absorbable over the incision and they will not need to be removed. Because of this, refrain from cleaning the inside of your pet's mouth for at least 2 weeks after surgery. We recommend using pet wipes during this time instead on the outside of your pet's mouth. Make sure your pet does not scratch at their mouth. If scratching occurs, an e-collar may be needed for your pet's recovery. Also, please refrain from allowing your pet any chew toys, bones, or hard treats of any kind for the full 14 days, as this can lead to excessive discomfort. If a bandage was sent home on your pet's front leg, you can remove it 30 minutes after arriving home. This is where your pet had an IV catheter during the dental. All hair will grow back. Please ensure your pet does not lick or irritate this area. If you notice your pet licking this area, an e-collar may be needed for your pet's recovery. Feed your pet their normal diet, as new food can upset their stomach. For their first meal following surgery, you'll want to feed them about half their normal amount. You can resume their normal portion size the following day. Your pet should always have access to plenty of clean water. If extractions were performed, a wet food diet should be maintained for 10 to 14 days. Then gradually reintroduce your pet's normal diet. Or, as an alternative option, you can wet or soak your pet's dry food in warm water. Depending on your pet's vaccine history, your pet may need to receive boosters of the vaccines they received during their visit. Typically, these boosters are provided 3 to 4 weeks after the initial injection. If your pet receives routine care at a different clinic, you will need to contact your regular veterinarian for the booster vaccinations. Depending on the condition of the oral health and what was done, antibiotics and/or pain medication may be sent home to complete their treatment. Please follow the instructions on the written medication label in your post-surgery information packet. Remember that even if your pet seems fine, it is vital to complete the course of medications as instructed. A recheck exam is not necessary unless you have concerns regarding your pet's recovery or if you were instructed otherwise. Thank you for choosing Downtown Animal Care Center for your pet's care. If you have any questions or concerns about your pet's recovery, please call 303-595-3561 or text 720-807-7321.